Sometimes you have to replace your side track on your door due to damage, whether it's a scratch or dent, etc. Simple enough to do. Just check your track, pull the side sill back a little bit just to see what type of fasteners are being used. Then you'll know what type of bit you'll need to use. Once you've identified that, you can simply just go in and start removing your screws. Once you've done that, simply take your track, angle it out just a little bit and slide it down. And you take your new one, simply sliding it back in. Very similar to how I got it out. You might have to angle it. Once you get it in, get it to the side wall, get your fasteners, and should be able to screw it right back in. Now I get my new side track in place. I'm going to test the function of the door to make sure it's not sticking. I'm going to do it one more time. It's just that easy.